Hi friends, welcome to PM Data Lab. If you're just starting with Excel or want to build your skills the right way, you're in the perfect place. Let me tell you something from the heart. Many of us face interview challenges, not because we don't study hard, but because we lack confidence. And confidence doesn't come overnight, it comes from daily practice, little by little, step by step. So always remember this golden line. Practice makes a man perfect, or let's say practice makes you perfect. Please practice every day. Also, here's something I truly believe. Whenever we learn something new, ask yourself three golden questions. What is it? Why is it important? Where is it used? These three small questions help you think deeper and understand like a real data analyst. In this video, we'll cover what is Excel, why it's important in both data analysis and your daily work, and where Excel is used in real life with simple examples. A quick tour of Excel's interface, like workbook, ribbon, and cells, and a small practice task just for you. So, are you ready to begin? Let's learn together. Let's go! Let's start with the basics. What is Excel? Excel is a powerful spreadsheet tool developed by Microsoft. It helps us store, organize, calculate, and analyze data. Think of it like a digital notebook, but much smarter. Because with Excel, you get formulas, charts, automation all in one place. Now you may wonder, why do companies love Excel so much? Simple. Because Excel is easy to use, cost effective, and flexible. Whether you are working with small or large data sets, it saves time, improves accuracy, and helps teams make smart decisions fast. Where is Excel used? You'll find Excel almost everywhere. In banks, hospitals, offices, schools, even shops. It's used for budgeting, sales tracking, attendance, data cleaning, analysis, almost everything you can think of. Professionals use Excel every single day. From HR to finance, from analysts to managers, everyone relies on Excel for clarity, accuracy, and control. Let me share a simple real world example. Just imagine this situation and see how Excel can truly make life easier. Meet our friend. She works at a bank, and today she receives a large Excel sheet with customer data, 500 rows of information. Her manager walks over and says, "Please find and highlight all customers whose loan amount is above 1 lakh. Oh no. She starts checking one by one, scrolling through all the rows. It's slow, tiring, and super confusing. But then she remembers something powerful. Excel has formulas. She applies a simple condition and boom, the task is done in just seconds. She's smiling again, relieved. Her manager looks surprised. Wow, excellent work! And she replies with a confident smile. That's the power of Excel. Now let's do a quick tour of the Excel screen so you'll feel comfortable when we actually start using it. Before we dive deep into Excel, let me give you a quick tour of the Excel interface so you'll feel completely comfortable using it. Ready? Let's get started. What you see right now is called a workbook. Think of it like a big folder that holds all your data. Inside this workbook, we have worksheets. They're just like pages in a notebook. You can find them at the bottom with names like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. Want to add a new worksheet? Click the plus sign dash dash. To rename one, double-click the sheet name and type your new title. To delete it, right-click the tab and choose Delete. Super simple. Now look at the top of your screen. This wide area is called the ribbon. It's like your Excel toolbox. The ribbon is divided into tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and Formulas. Each tab gives you access to different tools. For example, the Home tab has formatting tools like bold, font size, and color. The Insert tab, that's where you add charts, tables, and more. Just below the ribbon, you'll see two important bars. The first is the address bar. It tells you where your active cell is, like B2 or A5. Next to it is the formula bar. This is where you type formulas or text into a cell. So if I click on cell B2, the address bar shows B2, and I can type a value or formula right into the formula bar. Now let's explore the grid. The horizontal lines are called rows. They are numbered 1, 2, 3, and so on. The vertical lines are columns. They are labeled with letters A, B, C. Where a row and a column meet, that little box is a cell. This is where your data lives, whether it's numbers, text, or formulas. Almost done. At the bottom right, you'll find the zoom slider. Slide it left or right to zoom in and out on your worksheet. And of course, use the scroll bars to move up, down, left or right across your sheet. And that's it, a full walkthrough of the Excel interface. Okay friends, வீடியோட எண்டுக்கு வந்துட்டோம். இப்போ உங்க first small task ரெடியா இருக்கு. Don't worry, super simple task தான். Just open Excel, go through all the parts we saw. Workbook, ribbon, name box, formula bar, then type anything. Your name, date, even Hi Excel. அதுக்கப்புறம் சேவ் பண்ணுங்க. That's it. First step complete. Wow, you just finished your first Excel task. Smaller இருக்கலாம், but it's a strong start. Confidence build பண்ணனும்னா practice தான் key, so do this today. In the next video, we'll try some formulas. Easy-ஆ, fun-ஆ. So don't forget, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க, and subscribe பண்ணுங்க. Bell icon-உம் press பண்ணுங்க. Next lesson miss பண்ணாம பார்க்கலாம். Let's grow together, step by step, at PM Data Lab. Bye!